How wing markings affect predators and sexual encounters. What is the function of wing markings? According to the material given to us by Dr. Farrell, wing markings help to scare off potential predators. In the article, On the Trail with museum scientist Michael W. Nickel, wing markings, or eye spots, form a mimicry of large animals to help an organism to appear larger and more intimidating. Wing markings do not play a significant role in sexual encounters in fruit flies based on a study. Based on the experiment in our book, the flies have dark bands on their wings, and the purpose of these bands was not truly known. There have been theories as to their purpose, such as do they help ward off predators, or do they play a role in sexual encounters? There are three hypotheses in our book. The first one being, this display by the flies isn't to ward off predators, it is used in courtship. The second one is the flies do mimic jumping spiders, not to ward off the spiders, but to ward off other potential predators that would be prey to the jumping spiders. And the third one being the flies mimic the jumping spiders to deter the jumping spiders. In the experiment, scientists removed the wings off of some of the flies and replaced them with wings of other flies that were clear and did not have color. They then took 5 different flies with a configuration of different types of wings for each spider. There were 11 spiders that they kept hungry for 2 days, and then they placed the flies in front of the spider and recorded the reaction. Spiders retreated from flies that waved their wings and had the wing markings. As for the flies that did not have the wing movement or the markings on the wings, the spiders would attack and eat those flies. The scientists took other types of spiders, assassin bugs, mantises, and lizards, and put them in the same situation as the jumping spiders. All of these predators ate all 5 of the flies, no matter the markings of the wings or the movement of the wings. Observations from other experiments and one question is, do wing markings in fruit flies have sexual significance? In short, no. Fruit flies with intricate patterned wings were observed over the course of history. I mean, it's been documented many and many times. Some of these flies have been observed to make acoustic signals with their wings when trying to find a mate, and it did work, it didn't work. There are several inconsistencies with the studies of the markings and the acousticness of the wings, such as many male flies had fainter markings than females. Females had more complex movement. Both sexes had wing movement throughout the day, as in when they were feeding, grooming, or resting. Based on a study in 2005, it was found that there was no significance between wing markings and the movement with sexual encounters. Observations throughout the rest of the animal kingdom. There are many animals that have eye spots on them, many winged animals with them on their wings. They are eye-like markings found on organisms. Butterflies, moths, reptiles, birds, cats, such as bobcats, have these eye spots. The spot on the body resembles the eye from a different animal, usually a larger animal, a predator of some type. Eye spots are a form of mimicry to deceive potential predators. Many spots are believed to draw attention away from vulnerable parts of the body, such as in butterflies. They have the eye spots on their wings to keep the attention off their vital organs. It's been believed to be an adaptation in anti-predation. Studies in rear wing damage support these beliefs as an effective strategy in deflecting, meaning that many of these attacks were on the wings and not vital organs. Predators are naturally wary of conspicuous markings. Another theory of these markings is not that they're from adaptation, but from embryogenesis. Specific foci easily radiates from a central location, causing a circular design to come out from that one spot, creating the eye spots. In conclusion, wing markings are most effective at warding off potential predators. And in flies, mainly, the wing movement and markings are do not help significantly in sexual encounters. In birds such as peacocks, they do help in sexual encounters. My references include a study done in 2005 in markings of fruit flies, a study in 2017 over eye spots, and then our biology 2